On top of the fabric, place the pattern. Outline everything with the chalk and after cut it off. For this project you will need some stretchable fabric. I'm going to use a 4-way stretch polyester, the needles to pin the fabric, the elastic, the scissors, the lighter, the threads, the piece of chalk to outline the pattern, and the pattern. You'll find the link in the description box below. On top of the front element, place the back element, face to each other. Pin it with the needles. Do the same with the shoulder seam. Then grab the second layer of the front element and with the face down, place it on top. Repin everything together. If you have any question, just leave a comment below or you can contact me on Instagram as well. Now go to your overlocker or sewing machine and sew here and here. Turn the top on the right side of the fabric. Grab the scissors and cut off the threads. Grab the picot elastic and sew it on here, here, and here. Place the elastic on top of the fabric face to each other. Elastic has the right side and the wrong one. Basically, you need to place it right side to the right side. After, sew it here. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. When you sew, you don't stretch the fabric. You stretch a little bit only the elastic. Cut off the leftover of the elastic. Grab the lighter and eliminate the fluffiness of the elastic. If you see some fabric is coming out, then grab the scissors and trim this place. But be careful, do not cut the elastic. Hold the elastic this way and sew here. When you finish to sew on the elastic, it should look this way. This top can be perfect for your gym workouts, and if you add the bottom, then it will become a perfect swimwear set.